The formula for the law of sines is A over sin of A equals to B over sin of B equals to C over sin of C.
You have to find the angle that you're missing. For it to add to 180, you have to add 17 by 60, and that will give you 130. And then that answer you have to subtract it by 180. Then the only thing that you're missing is the sides of the triangle. You have the angles inside the triangle, which is 60, 70, and 50, and you only have one side, which is 8, and that is 8. But you're missing the B and the C. You have to use the formula to get to the other sides. To get the side of B, you have to use the formula A divided by sine of A and B over the sine of B. You have the A and the sine of A, and so you put it, which is 8 and 60, and then equals to B divided by sine of 70. Then you divide sine of A divided by sine of 60, which give you 9.24, equals B divided by the sine of 70. Then the sine of 17 goes to the other side multiplying, because in the other side was dividing, so 9.24 times sine of 70, which it gives you 8.68. So the only side that we're missing is the side of C, which we are going to use 9.24 equals C over sine of 50. The sine of 50 goes multiplying, and so 9.24 times sine of 50, which equals 7.08.
You can use law of cosines for two different things. The first one is to find the sides of a triangle, and the second one is to finding the angles of a triangle. And for finding a side of a triangle, you have to use these three formulas depending on the side you want to find. If you want to find side C, you have to use the formula C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB and multiply it by cos of C. And if you want to find any other side, that you only have to exchange the letters. And for finding the angles, you have to use the cosine of the angle you want to find. So for example, if you want to find the angle C, you have to use cosine of C equals to A squared plus B squared minus C squared divided by 2AB. And the same for the other angles. If you want to find the angle of A, the angle A, you have to use a formula for A and exchange the letters.
Okay, first, the law of cosines, what you need to know is the formula, that is C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of the angle. Okay, so first you have the triangle. It it can't be a right triangle, it needs to be like an irregular one. So here, like this one, you have side A that equals 10 and side B that is 15, and the angle is 60 degrees. So when you have this information, you change the A, the B, and the angle, so you will have c squared equal 10 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 10 times 15 cosine of 60. That this equals of c squared equals 175, and because you are searching for c, not c squared, you need to do it the square root. So at the end you will have c equals 5 square root of 7.